the previous session, we discussed how to generate the path and using these sliders and setting to justify and change the setting of the path. We use these options to change the setting of the control value and change the setting of the laser directions, adding the laser modulus and add the laser directions here. We also add the tape rack blade system and change the sizes. Now we'll have a look at the last buttons here, which are used to show and change the laser distance, target, source, or the knee point. You could save the information and load the information of those points. These are the settings that are from the previous version of the software, and we briefly have a look at this. To do that, we need to first generate the path. Click on the Accept New Path and make a path like that. You will see the numbers, which are X, Y, Z, and locations of the target, source, and the laser distance. Laser distance is a radius of this auxiliary sphere. If you change this, the size will change. If you increase it to 0.9, for example, it becomes larger. So this would be the laser distance toward the laser center. I move this point toward the new point, and I click on Head Align the laser and put the laser. Then the laser center would be changed. So the center of the sphere would change toward that point. With this blue point, you could set the laser positions. And when you click on Put Laser, this information will be updated. You will see the laser source was updated like that. So this is the positions that you see on the picture that will be set here. If you change it a little bit, you see the updated would be here. And if you change the target and again click on Put Laser, the target will be updated. As you see, the knee point is not updated yet. This will be obsolete in the future version, as the only useful informations and setting would be the target, source, and laser distance. This OK button set the size of the green sphere. Put Laser set the directions of this laser, the red arrow, and the head align target. Put the laser auxiliary sphere at the center of that point. You could save the informations and setting here to be used later. Easily click on Save Edit Box and set a name for that. And click on OK. The information will be sent and saved on the directory of the installations. You could then load the box and the setting will be set. These two buttons, we discussed it in the previous session, is for the setting the start and setting the finish of the path to save the path info.